get a few things for dinner. Hubby Wubby. They either buy one, get one for BOGO. I guess I'll get this. We use them.
Get me some gravy packs. I know how to cook my own, but got some at home, but they don't have the kind I want. I just use the ones at home.
Wonder when it's opening. That's some thankful, I call it thankful day stuff. Because I don't really celebrate Thanksgiving like that. So we do cook and spend a little time with family. And then I got the tablecloth and everything is $1.98. Alright. See, the stuff is right here and here. They even got the decoration like that you could put up. What else? All this, my husband leaving me. They even got the tablecloth where the kids can color. And they got 2 rows of it. Got it. It's heavy. Doing a little cooking with some greens. There's some gravy with the Beyond plant-based Beyond meatballs. About to do the rice, and that's cornbread, and then some cupcakes. Thank God for my new stove, y'all. I need to turn this down. This is the cake thing I'm using for the cupcakes. And this is cornbread. I think I showed it on the other video.